Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you StarMaker, how to earn money. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps that we're on. Earning money on StarMaker involves building your presence and engaging with the community. To do it, what you need to do first is head over and open up your StarMaker app. Now, here what you need to do is become a StarMaker creator, build a large fan base by consistently uploading high quality singing performance, engage with your followers by commenting or duetting or collaborating by simply tapping on the songs that you want, and then you can also receive virtual gifts by fans. These gifts can be converted into real money by cashing out through StarMaker's platform as well. Or you can also participate in the StarMaker contests and challenges, which often holds with cash prizes or rewards. Winning or ranking high in these contests can earn you money or even currency. So these are a couple of steps that you can apply, and that's it for today's video, guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down any questions that you have, and see you soon on the next one.